Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to create a photo border in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First of all, your image, then double click the lock icon, unlock to this image lock, click FX stroke and choose stroke color. Example, use white color. Position inside and increase or decrease borders or stroke size. Okay, then you can use move anywhere, press Ctrl T, hold shift, again edit to this stroke size, add a drop shadow. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.